Hi parents, I'm Mrs. Kobe. I'm your child's resource room teacher. They normally see me like this, but I'm going to take this off to talk to you. So in resource room, we are covering your child's goals and objectives that are year-long goals that we're working on to have them improve in those areas. Your child sees me at the same time when they're in school and when they are at home. When they're home, please make sure that they have their notebook, their pencil, marker board, whatever it is I gave them for them to keep at home, so that we are ready to learn as soon as they log in on my Zoom meeting code. If you have any questions, my information is right here, and you can email me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any further questions, please let me know.
Hello, moms and dads. My name is Vania Concolino, and I am a psychologist, and I work with your children at Preston School. We have sessions. They are meeting in the same day. We meet at the same day in school and also at home. I work to provide services in the area of social, emotional, and also social skills. So if you can have any questions, please feel free to call me or to email me. My Zoom link is always the same, and when the children have sessions, it's always posted on your Google Classroom or on Seesaw. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone. My name is Charlene Ferrer. I'm the speech-language pathologist here at Preston School. My new room is located in the old computer lab. So I will be sending your students' schedules monthly. You don't have to worry about knowing what the different schedules are for the classroom and what cycle we're on. It should be right there. The Zoom link will stay the same. So you can always click the link or put in the meeting code. In my sessions, we will work on your students' articulation, or their receptive, what their understanding, or their expressive language skills, their ability to express their thoughts and feelings, and relate to content in the classroom. You can see your child's specific goals on their individualized education plans and the frequency with which I see them. If you have any questions, my contact information is up above, and I am available to answer any of your questions. Thank you.